Good morning, guys. It's already May 14, Thursday. It's already 12:25. So, um, late akong gumising. Of course, kasi evening shift ako kagabi. And walang klase today. Si Brian, wala ding work. It's a national holiday dito sa Netherlands. They call it Hemelsvaartdag, um, Ascension Day. So, it's a 40 days after Easter. So, national holiday yan dito. So, wala kaming work. Wala din school si Brian. So, dito lang kami sa bahay. Standby and we'll see. Punta ako ng taas later para i-fix yung room ni Brian. So, I didn't plan anything today because I want to finish the laundry and start the Brian's room. But first, let me get ready. I'm going to dress up and I'll start with my laundry. Hey Brian, good morning.
Good morning.
There in the camera. Look here.
Good morning!
Tignan nyo, may bukol siya. Kawawa sila kahapon ng lolo niya, yung father-in-law ko. Sinundo kasi siya kahapon, tapos na-outbalance yung father-in-law ko, natumba siya, tapos nadala niya si Brian. Kaya ito nabukol. Buti na lang tinulungan sila ng mga teacher doon. Ito oh. Pero naawa ako sa father-in-law ko. Tatawagan ko ngayon siya. Kukumustahin ko. Kasi, yeah. Wawa naman. Is it still painful?
Hi.
Is it still painful?
Hey.
Okay. Ay, maulan kaninang umaga. Ang weather ngayon is, ang weather ng Netherlands, hindi mo talaga maintindihan. Biglang uulan, biglang magiging sunny, biglang magiging windy. So, when you say spring, hindi talaga yan siya 100% or certified na spring weather. Mix pa yan. Minsan maginaw pa. So, ewan ko. So, may trust issue kami sa weather dito. Anyway, wala din naman akong plano today. So, bukas, nag-off ako sa work. So, may pupuntahan kami bukas na indoor. Dun malapit sa, I think malapit yun sa Belgium. So, ito kami sa Bommelwereld. That is in Groenlo, Marsifunder. 1 hour and 23 minutes ang biyahe niya. Si kuya, hindi siya sasama kasi pupunta dito yung girlfriend niya. Gusto sana namin siyang sumama pero for now, may plan sila ng girlfriend niya. So, dito lang siya sa bahay. Anyway, I'm gonna dress up and I'm gonna start upstairs na.
Change is constant, learning to flow. All the unknown.
So, busy pa rin ako sa pagplancha. And while nanonood ng live ng kaibigan ko, nagtitinda siya ng mga second-hand luxury bag. So, she is located here in the Netherlands, but nag-ship siya sa Europe, but I'm not sure dyan sa Philippines. Tatanong ko sa kanya mamaya. Ang ganda ng mga bags niya. Marami na rin ako nabili sa medyo I think 2-3 bags lang nabili ko sa kanya. So, yeah. Parang may tatago So, multitasking bawa nagpa-plancha. Ayan siya. Magaganda yung mga mga items niya. So, pangalan ng Facebook page niya is teka lang. Win Finds. So, Win Finds, like WYN, and then capital FINDS, Win Finds. Meron din siyang, ang alam ko meron din siyang website. Just one more bag. Yeah. Just one more bag. So, yes. Follow niyo siya. Ganda ng mga items niya.
Lucky they let me here with you.
Nagliligpit ako sa mga maliliit na gamit ni Brian. Nakita ko tong ano niya. First na ginamit niya na ano ba to, socks? Yung when he was newly born. Tignan mo. Tignan niyo. Look. So this one as well. Ang cute. So itatago ko to. Ang cute. Ang cute niya. Hanahanap ko pa siya. So, ikikip ko siya.
Wisdom to know the difference.
Hey. Brian. Dito. Kuya, kung sa binayda ko. Dito.
Hey,
Bakit?
it's too cold.
Huh?
It's too cold here.
Is it cold?
Nee, hier koud. Waar is de groene?
Nee, ik heb geen groene.
Nee.
Oh, mooie haar. Ja. Ja.
Wel,
Is it warm outside?
gewoon niet een...
Yeah, just for
nou, doe aan...
come here. Crop top. It's also een beetje klein. Look.
Wat doe je dat jackie aan?
Kom nou. Oeh, een beetje koud. Naar buiten. Buiten.
Wacht, jij
Outside.
moet wachten.
Ops.
Wachten in de...
Ops.
Wachten of
What
koeien.
happened to his head?
Huh?
What happened to his
Yeah,
head?
he falls down with Opa yesterday. Yeah.
Doei papa, doei Brian, doei Brian.
Bryce. Kasungugan, jud ani akong kamagwangan. Ang duha gyud papa ug si Rene ug si Bryce. Bryce. Yeah.
Brian. Kom,
Ah.
wat doe je? Gordel. Kijk de gordel om toe. Kijk de gordel om toe. Papa wil
I see.
22 keer crème brûlée.
No, for my, I'm looking forward for steak. Gonna eat a lot of steak and
Ja,
vegetable.
tuurlijk.
Yeah.
And you eat one spicy bun and you're done.
Not this time because I didn't eat
My,
much.
my starter will be a crème brûlée. My main dish
Ready?
will be a crème brûlée. And my dessert will be a crème brûlée.
Papa,
Ja.
jij hebt begin omgedraaid.
Prepared?
Ja,
Je moet andere kant op.
Hoezo?
jij moet het zo in de hier.
Waarom?
Nee, doe met de auto.
Maybe he thinks that we're going to Opa.
Ja.
Nee Brian, we gaan uit eten.
Nee.
Yeah, we're going to eat.
Nee, hij moet zo naar opa toe.
I see, I told you. You think that we're going to...
We gaan niet naar opa. Opa
We gaan-
die ligt te slapen.
Ja, want Opa was gisteren...
Gevallen. En
Gevallen?
die is heel moe. Lig op
Ja.
bed. Je moet de hele dag op bed blijven.
Ganda ng weather.
Mag de eerste 4 weken niet op bed komen.
Yeah, Arma Opa. Poor Opa.
Maar waarom? Dat is gevallen.
Is opa ook? Doei Brian.
Hey, nog niet.
Heb je een beetje honger?
So, dito na kami sa restaurant. Gusto ko tong pwesto namin. Nee,
Mama,
So, sila Renee at Bryce, kumukuha na ng pagkain. And waiting for them. And,
Mama.
what?
I said the day for Mama.
Ha?
I said the day for Mama.
Din po, ma. Telephone ba, mama?
Yeah.
Here, my letter, yeah?
Bye.
Later.
Where home?
Ha?
I like to cook this.
Yeah.
No?
If the food is here, then you
It
can...
was the bell. It was the bell like, okay?
Yeah. So, buffet restaurant to siya. Siya mostly Asian food. Meron din silang mga Dutch foods. And, yeah. Super busy eh. Gusto ka ng videohan dun ng buffet. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, dat is goed, ja. Oh, liep net weer weg. Ik heb het tijd voor water. We drinken. Je want some water? Or coke?
Cola. 0. Yeah. For starter, sushi. Ang dami.
Ja, het is gewoon.
I have now the grilled. There is also teriyaki sauce there, part that you can put on top.
Net als uit. The waiting time is not so long, so it's okay. Right?
So maybe that they made a mistake. They give me a lamb chop, and I don't want lamb chop. I want
You
pek
should have,
lang.
you should have taken it anyway, and I could have eaten it. Yeah, kijk. Ryan, ga.
Do you want one specklet? Real? Do you want one specklet? Real?
Geen hapje.
Huh?
One bite.
Look at them.
Brian?
Yeah.
Papa gaat nog even zoeken. laat me jou ook zien. Uitleggen.
What is that?
And that is.
And this that down here in the... What is that?
For you. For you.
Showing me... Pinapakita niya lahat yung pictures ng ano sa class nila. So, dessert na tayo. Buffet din yung dessert nila. We have here I don't know what's this. Creme brulee, marshmallow. Is it lekker? Do you want the marshmallow? You know more? Like, look at that with chocolate, Brian. Not chocolate. Okay? No.
You know what they say? A big boy can see big.
What? What?
No, I'm not repeating it.
Let's go. Huh? You can go some. You can take this. This way, thank you.
Volgt energie weg.
So, kararating lang namin sa bahay. Ito agad yung ano. Asan na yung cellphone ko? Lala! Ang dami pa, oh! Okay. Ay, batang Ninggara, ay, nalimutan ko yung oras. Sabi ko sa kanya, 8 o'clock matulog na siya kasi may surprise kami bukas. Sabi, Mama, pwede, can I play more? Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes. So, 8 o'clock na yun, so mga 8:10. So, nabisi ako sa doon, sa kusina. Sabi ko, pagtingin ko sa orasan, na pala, 8:45 na. Huy! Ninggara, ay! Alina! Come here na. Go to sleep na. Come. Let's go. Dress up na. Pajama. Wear your pajama na. Come here. Aray. Dali na lang. Wala, uy. Adi ka mo kuyo gugma. Kaya nit may more ka?
Makita. Oh,
Ow. Out. Okay. Let's go. Sige na. Papatulugin ko na to siya. And, may titignan lang akong series and then matutulog na rin ako. Brian, can you come here? Can you say, thank you for watching?
Hi, I'm Ryan.
Diba? Come here sa ay.
Mom.
Na, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Aray ko, ay.
Thank you for watching. It's the try.
See you on my next video. Here. Hey.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.